And they wanted to make it basically their own, and we presented a concept, and we were a little bit, most people want to play it safe. They don't want to put their personality into their designs too much. They want to be more conservative on color choice and style choice. That everlasting comment is for resale value. Color drenching is when everything in the room, every single element is the same color. Ceiling, walls, trims, and cabinetry. That's something that I insist on a lot. Like, I fell in love with this concept about 5 years ago, and we've applied it in our own house. And I just love the continuation on the color and doing tone on tone with the kitchen, with the cabinets and the ceilings and the walls and the moldings. And it just gives it a much cozier feeling. One of my pet peeves is white ceilings, especially when you put darker colors on the walls and the cabinetry. So for me, it's a no-brainer that the ceiling has to be the same color as the walls to begin with. And if we can get away with doing the cabinetry the same color, it looks so much more elevated and so much more elegant and cozy and just a place you want to hang out in. Our design team tried to keep cohesive feeling, like design element throughout, and they played on the fluting and the reverse fluting. So the bathtub has the reverse fluting, and then next to it you have the bedroom built-in, which is that super custom door with multiple elements, and that has fluted bottom panels. So it's nice to see it repeat throughout the house. And we were so lucky because when we presented the concept, the client actually came back and said, I think we want more color and we want more textures and we want more accents. So our design team was extremely pleased with that, and they felt very encouraged, and it actually turned into such a creative project. With wallpaper on the ceiling in the walk-in closet, and we played with different tones of vanity and with fluted panels, and we played with the color drenching in the butler's pantry. And at the end, we had added the last piece of the puzzle. Was once the design was almost complete, they wanted to add something on a very large empty wall where the TV was going to go, and that's how the slat wall with the stone bench came to life. It was a little bit of an afterthought, but it was like a perfect finishing touch for the project. He's staring at me. Okay. Make him stop.